Hey everyone, welcome to Marrakech, the red city of Morocco. Here, the air is buzzing with excitement and every corner has a story to tell. This awesome city, right next to the Sahara Desert, is a treat for your eyes, ears, and nose. Get ready to be amazed by the sights, sounds, and smells of Marrakech. It's a city that dances to its own special beat. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel the energy. The city is alive with the sounds of people selling things, the rhythm of Nawa drums, and the beautiful call to prayer from the mosques. Marrakech is a city of surprises, where old traditions meet modern life. You'll find ancient markets with colorful spices and handmade treasures right next to fancy shops and art galleries. Get ready for an amazing trip through the heart of Morocco, where the magic unfolds. Marrakech is like a meeting point for different cultures. Berber, Arab, and French all mixed together. Each culture has shaped the city's buildings, food, and art. The Berbers, the first people to live in Morocco, brought their colorful art traditions. You can see their designs on everything from carpets to pottery. When the Arabs arrived in the 7th century, they brought Islam with them, which influenced the city's mosques and spiritual life. Centuries later, the French added a touch of European style to Marrakech, especially in the Ville Nouvelle area. This mix of cultures makes Marrakech so special, a place where East meets West in a beautiful way. Get lost in the music of Nawa musicians, a hypnotic blend of Berber, African, and Islamic rhythms. Watch the captivating movements of Sufi dancers, their whirling bodies expressing their spiritual devotion. The best way to explore Marrakech is on foot. Walking through the city allows you to truly immerse yourself in its vibrant culture and history. Every corner you turn reveals a new facet of this ancient city, from bustling markets to serene courtyards. That way, you won't miss any of its hidden treasures. The narrow alleyways are filled with small shops selling everything from spices to handmade crafts, each one a testament to the city's rich artisanal heritage. Start your journey in the middle of the old city at Jemaa el-Fnaa, the heart of Marrakech. This iconic square is a sensory overload, with the sounds of street performers, the smells of exotic foods, and the sights of vibrant stalls. Every evening, this square comes alive with storytellers, musicians, and food stalls, creating a magical atmosphere. It's a place where the past and present blend seamlessly, offering a glimpse into the soul of Marrakech. Find some peace in the gardens of the Koutoubia Mosque. These gardens offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, with lush greenery and shaded pathways. Its tall minaret is a symbol of Marrakech's Islamic history. Standing tall against the sky, it serves as a reminder of the city's spiritual heritage and architectural prowess. This amazing building, built in the 12th century, shows how rich the city's past is. The intricate designs and historical significance make it a must-visit for anyone interested in the history of Marrakech. Escape the hot sun in the Majorelle Garden. This lush oasis is a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. Designed by French painter Majorelle, this garden is full of colorful and exotic plants, with a special blue villa in the center. The vibrant colors and unique design make it a photographer's paradise. Step back in time at the Bahia Palace, a beautiful example of Moroccan and Islamic architecture. The palace's grandeur and intricate details reflect the opulence of the era in which it was built. Imagine the lives of the sultans and their families who lived there as you walk through its fancy rooms, courtyards with detailed tilework, and peaceful gardens. Each room tells a story of luxury and history, making it a fascinating place to explore. Beyond the busy markets and historical places, Marrakech has lots of adventures waiting for you. The city is a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and experiences that extend far beyond its ancient walls. From the moment you step into the bustling souks, you are greeted with a sensory overload of colors and aromas. But there's so much more to discover. Go on a camel ride through the Agafay Desert, a rocky landscape that seems to go on forever. The rhythmic sway of the camel and the vast open terrain create a sense of timeless adventure. It's a journey that connects you with the ancient travelers who once crossed these lands. As the sun sets and creates long shadows on the dunes, you'll feel like you're in another world. The sky transforms into a canvas of oranges and purples, casting a magical glow over the desert. It's a moment of serene beauty that stays with you long after the sun has dipped below the horizon. If you're feeling brave, try an ATV adventure through the desert. The thrill of speeding over rocky paths and sandy plains is unmatched. It's an adrenaline rush that offers a different perspective of the desert's rugged beauty. Feel the wind in your hair as you ride over rocky paths and sandy plains. The sense of freedom and exhilaration is palpable, making it an unforgettable part of your Moroccan adventure. For a relaxing experience, visit a traditional hammam. These ancient bathhouses offer a unique way to unwind and rejuvenate. The rituals of cleansing and relaxation are deeply rooted in Moroccan culture. Sweat out your worries in the steam room, then enjoy a scrub and massage. The combination of heat, steam, and skilled hands works wonders on your body and mind, leaving you feeling completely refreshed. You'll leave feeling fresh and new. The experience is not just about physical relaxation, but also about mental rejuvenation, a perfect way to end a day of exploration. See Marrakech from above in a hot air balloon. The aerial view offers a breathtaking perspective of the city's layout and its surrounding landscapes. As you float over the red rooftops and palm trees, you'll see just how big and beautiful the city is. The contrast between the urban sprawl and the natural beauty of the surrounding areas is striking. Take a day trip to the Atlas Mountains. The journey itself is an adventure, winding through scenic roads that offer glimpses of rural Moroccan life. Hike through pretty valleys, visit Berber villages, and be amazed by waterfalls. Each step reveals a new facet of the region's natural beauty and cultural richness. It's a chance to see the natural beauty of Morocco. The landscapes are diverse and stunning, offering a perfect backdrop for your adventures. Whether you're seeking thrill or tranquility, Marrakech and its surroundings have something for everyone. Get ready for a taste explosion as you try the delicious food of Marrakech. This city is a paradise for food lovers, offering a rich tapestry of flavors and aromas that will leave you craving for more. From flavorful tagines to yummy pastries, Moroccan food is a treat for your taste buds. The tagines, slow cooked to perfection, are bursting with spices and tender meats, while the pastries, often filled with nuts and honey, provide a sweet contrast. For a real taste of Marrakech, go to Jemaa el-Fnaa in the evening. This bustling square transforms into a giant open-air restaurant where the air is filled with the enticing smells of grilled meats, fresh bread, and exotic spices. The square becomes a giant open-air restaurant with food stalls selling all kinds of local dishes. From spicy sausages to fresh seafood, there's something for everyone. The vendors are friendly and eager to share their culinary traditions with you. Try a warm bowl of harira soup, a lentil-based dish perfect for a light meal. This hearty soup, often enjoyed during Ramadan, is made with tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and a blend of spices that create a comforting and flavorful experience. Enjoy a plate of tender mechoui, slow-cooked lamb that melts in your mouth. This dish is a true testament to Moroccan culinary expertise, with the lamb being marinated in a mix of spices and herbs before being roasted to perfection. And don't miss mazmen, a flaky flatbread served with honey or jam. This versatile bread can be enjoyed at any time of the day, whether as a sweet breakfast treat or a savory snack. For a fancier meal, try Le Jardin, a beautiful restaurant hidden in the old city. Surrounded by lush plants and vibrant decor, this spot offers a serene escape from the bustling streets, with a menu that combines traditional Moroccan dishes with modern twists. Enjoy traditional Moroccan food with a modern twist while surrounded by plants and the sounds of birds. The ambience here is perfect for a relaxing meal, making it a favorite among both locals and tourists. Nomad, located on a rooftop with views of the markets, offers a mix of Moroccan and international dishes. The panoramic views of the city add a magical touch to your dining experience, making it a must-visit spot. For a really special night, book a table at Dar Yakut. This iconic restaurant is known for its opulent setting and exquisite cuisine, offering a dining experience that is both luxurious and unforgettable. It's famous for its delicious food and luxurious setting. The intricate decor and attentive service make every meal here feel like a special occasion. Feel like royalty as you enjoy a multi-course meal with traditional music in a beautifully restored riad. The combination of live music, stunning architecture, and delectable food creates an unforgettable dining experience that captures the essence of Marrakech. Marrakech has all kinds of places to stay, from fancy riads to budget-friendly guest houses. For a really special experience, stay at La Mamounia. This famous hotel, loved by celebrities and royalty, is a peaceful escape in the busy city. Enjoy its amazing spa, walk through its gardens, and eat at one of its top-rated restaurants. Riad El-Fnaa, A beautifully restored riad owned by Vanessa Branson, Richard Branson's sister, offers a more intimate and stylish stay. Relax by the rooftop pool, enjoy a traditional Moroccan breakfast in the courtyard, and soak up the cool atmosphere. For a budget-friendly option, try a traditional riad in the heart of the old city. These charming guest houses often have a peaceful courtyard and give you a taste of real Moroccan life. Exploring the narrow streets of the old city can be an adventure. Here are some tips to help you. Bargaining is part of the fun. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices when you're shopping. Just be respectful and smile. Dress respectfully. While Marrakech is a modern city, it's important to dress modestly, especially at religious sites. Cover your shoulders and knees and wear loose-fitting clothes. Wear comfy shoes. The streets can be uneven, so wear sturdy shoes or sandals. Cash is best. While some places take credit cards, it's good to have cash, especially in the markets. Learn a few words in Arabic. Many people speak English, but knowing a few basic Arabic phrases will make your interactions even better. Best time to go. The best time to visit Marrakech is spring or autumn when the weather is nice and there are fewer crowds. As the sun sets on your Marrakech adventure, turning the sky pink, orange and purple, you'll remember all the amazing things you've seen, heard and smelled. The memories of busy markets, beautiful riads and the friendly Moroccan people will stay with you long after you go home. Marrakech is a city that calls you back to discover more of its secrets. Until next time, Marrakech. Have you ever been to Marrakech? Share your favorite memories or your travel plans in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.